Tanggal na si Kuya, next game na si Kuya Daniel. Next game na si Kuya Daniel. Thank you very much. Okay, bilog ulit. Okay. Group. Sige, sayaw muna. Sayaw, ikot. Dance, yan. Kailangan sumasayaw, bawal lang mahihain. Yan, banat. Yan, may bagong step si Kuya Harry. Okay, group yourselves into 6. 6. Oh, kuha nyo. Oh, dito ka. Oh. 2, 4, 6. Tanggal yung 4. Yay! Okay, ikot ulit. Sayaw. Dance. Okay, group yourselves into 4. 4 lang, 4. Sino kaya ang maaalis? Ouch! At na-realize niya, ay, tanggal. Okay, we still have 4 players. Yeah, wow! Wow! Saan kayo natutunan ni Harry sa mga dance steps na to? Okay, group yourselves into 3. Oh! Napakasakit niya naman maging kalaro. Okay. Sige, sayaw na ulit. Sayaw, sayaw. Dance. Naku, si Bless hindi sumasayaw. Aalisin namin si Bless. Sige lang, kahit anong steps. Okay, group yourselves into 2. Oh! Naku, sige na. Panalo na kayong 3. May mababalian pa rito. Wala dito si Ate Rose.